In this one, we have to graph y equals 1/2 x minus 5. Now, if we notice in this formula, the y coordinate is by itself. And this is probably the most common form that you see, where it's y is by itself. There's a number, which you call a coefficient, right in front of the x, and then you're subtracting or adding a number to the right of that. And this is what we call slope-intercept form. And it's always going to be in the form of y equals mx plus b. So if you can look at this formula, the m is the 1/2, and then the b would actually be -5, because the -5 is the same thing as plus -5. So this is called slope-intercept form because the equation right now gives you the slope, which is m, so that's going to be 1/2, as well as the y-intercept b, which in this case is going to be -5, right? -5, same thing as plus -5. So that's really all that you need to graph it. You don't have to find, any other points specifically, although you do need 2 points to draw the line, and you do have one given to you because a y-intercept of -5 just means that the line is going to cross the y-intercept or cross the y-axis at that point. So -5 is down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's right there. So that's one point that you need. And the second point that you would need would actually be gotten right from the slope. So the slope is 1/2, right? And that's the same thing as the change in y over the change in x that we've learned. So it's basically the y is the rise, so it's up 1, and then the 2 is the run. So it's up 1 and then to the right 2, and that could be another point. If you want to get a third one, you can keep going up 1, right 2, but you don't have to because all that you need for a line is 2 points. So once you're done with that, you can simply graph the line by connecting the 2 points, and don't forget to include arrows on the ends of your lines. And that is graphing in points or in slope-intercept form.